Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Just want to apologize, long wait since the last video. Just been handling some personal things going on, and it's taking up a bit of time, and just trying to work through all that. But today we're going to go through the JC Wings September 2018 new releases on easytoys.com. Go check them out, and we'll head to the JC Wings section. Alright, so we'll start with 1400, which is just down here a little bit. Right here. So first is the China Air Force A319. Registration is B4090. Pretty good looking military transport. Air China Star Alliance livery A320. That's an A321. B6383. I think they meant to say A321, not A320, because the registration in the photo is 6383. So that's why I believe it is an A321. DHL A330 says 300. It's not. It's a 200. Yeah, because they don't make 300 cargo aircraft. So this will be a 200. The ALMA. J-Air, subsidiary of Japan Airlines. ERJ 190, Nanki Shirohama Airport. 50th. Oh, okay, so I get it. Yep. That little panda. It looks like a panda, I think. That logo and everything. That's to celebrate Nanki Shirohama's airport's 50th anniversary. Hainan Airlines A350-900. Not sure what the rego is on this one. It's not printed right here. Might get back to that. I'll be looking up while I'm going through this video. Bamam, Bangladesh 787-8 S2AJS is the registration number, and that's a really nice looking 787. And same model, but with flaps down. Don't need to really go through that. And then we have the SF Air Cargo 747-400 ER Freighter B2422. I'm just trying to think who this would have, they would have bought this aircraft off. Either Air France or KLM. They were the ones who bought the ER freighters. And just to confirm, the Air China is an A321, and just looking at this, the Hainan Airlines. Let's see if I can bring up the rego. You can't see it on screen. I'm working on my phone simultaneously. I'm not even sure. But it shouldn't be hard to find. It most likely be their first A350, so yeah, it typically is anyway. So Asiana A321 Star Alliance livery, 15 years of Star Alliance. No, it's not right. But 15 years since Asiana joined Star Alliance. That's what it would be. Yeah, because they're over 20 years old. Star Alliance, what am I thinking? They're about 25 years old. So yeah, that's got to be there when they join the alliance. Eva Air 777-300ER. I'd love to have this in 1:200 scale, even though I already have one in this livery. The reason being is because this is the aircraft Air New Zealand have leased. This is to cover for some of the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 issues on the 787. Nothing to do with the 10 series, so some Air New Zealand 787s are completely fine. They will not even have to go through these checks. And but the thing is, they need aircraft cover, and this is one of them. The other being a Singapore Airlines 777-200ER. But it's going to remain in this livery, just has a New Zealand registration. So so the Air New Zealand crew can work on it. So the registration is ZKOKT. And so, yeah, I'd love to see some 1:200 scale. Even though it's not in New Zealand, I'd like to get as many in New Zealand aircraft as possible, or New Zealand registered aircraft. Lufthansa Star Alliance livery A320 DAIQS. Nothing special really. A lot of it's unusual seeing this many Star Alliance liveries being released. Lufthansa Cargo 777 Freighter DALFE lifting I next. So some sort of BMW Vision I next. So I know what it was. It was this promotion with BMW. I can't remember. They were taking this aircraft around the world or something. Something like that. You search up online. It was some promotion type tour thing for between Lufthansa and BMW. China Air Force, again, so this is that 1/400 scale model, but in 1/200 scale. Don't need to go through it, but like I said before, it's a really nice looking aircraft. And same as before, DHL A330. Tiger Air Taiwan A320 B5003, or I should say 50,003 really. So 50003. Same airline, same aircraft, just with sharklets. 50016. And also these have the IA V2500 engines, not the other ones. World Cargo MD11 N381WA. I liked World's full livery, but this is it's pretty plain, pun intended. Hainan Airlines 787-9 B1543. Very, very nice looking model. Definite must get for me. I don't believe there has been one released. I think I got this one, no, not the all red, I got the Panda one. So yeah, that says 1/200. Oh, maybe I already got one. I don't know. I'll have to check before I order it because I haven't ordered anything from this release yet. But I don't believe I've ordered it. So if I haven't, I will definitely get this one. I definitely ordered that Kung Fu Panda one. SF Air Cargo 747-400 ERF, same as before. Don't need to go through it. And Bombardier CS100, the future of LCY, London City. I believe that's what they're referring to, London City Airport. The one on the River Thames, and I don't really need this one, apart from the writing and the black that they have instead of the white, which is on the one I have already received. I don't see the point in me getting this one. So I think I'll just leave it. Registration is CGWYD. Hainan A350-900. Still don't know the registration for this. As I said, it's probably the first production, first delivered for Hainan. And then we have the flaps down version. I'm not going to go into it, but yeah, you know what it is. Boeing House Livery 767-300. I have already received this model. I don't believe it had the polished belly. I may be wrong, but you remember the one I'm talking about. It came out not so long ago from JC-Wing, 757 and 767 in the same release. Let's see if they've got the related products. No. But you know which one I'm referring to. And I really don't need this one. But registration is N767S. Some people will want it because either they missed out on the previous one, or they're just a big, collector of Boeing or Airbus house models or Embraers, whatever. So that they might like that one. And same as 1/400 with this release. the J-Air ERJ 190. So it's a pretty, again, pretty good looking release from JC Wings. Lots of interesting models, lots to rave about, lots to not really rave about, depending what you like. It's a very good variety as always, and they cater to everybody, which I find is really good. So from this release, not much for me. As I said, if I haven't already ordered Hainan in their normal livery, I'm going to get that one. But let's have a look. I don't really want the 747. Don't really want the Bombardier. Might get the Hainan A350. Don't believe there's already been a release on that, so I'll probably get that one as well. So yeah, not bad at all. A couple of Hainans for me to order. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed. Please leave a like if you did. Comment, tell me what you think of this release. Tell me which models you're going to get. Subscribe for more. Share this video as well so other people are going to know about this release and see if they want to get any of them. This release was, I think, Thursday last week. Wednesday, Thursday, sometime around then. So it's a bit late for me to do a video on this, but yeah, I wanted to do a video on it, especially since I'm getting models from this release. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.